As it warms up outside, the tendency is to go outside and play. Maybe you have some good times, maybe somebody gets hurt on your property, and that could get other things rolling. So we've brought in Kurt Franke from the law offices of Kurt A. Franke to talk about what if there's a claim brought against you, your home. What should somebody expect when these things happen?
Well, I think that's why we have homeowner coverage. And, and initially, not every injury is going to result in a claim. It happens every day, and it's possibly nothing you did wrong. Although that's, I think, what the nature of the claim will be, that the homeowner did something wrong.
So at what point should we worry about it going from just simply being a claim to being a lawsuit maybe?
Well, what I would do is certainly any time you get any kind of written notice or any kind of firm notice that somebody intends to make a claim against your homeowner's policy, that's probably the time you want to report it to your homeowner insurance company.
Okay, to your company from, okay, so you've gotten something in the mail. I want to follow up with what you just said. So you've got something in the mail saying they're going to make a claim against you, most likely from a law firm?
That's correct. And sometimes you might get it from an individual, but at that point it becomes a little more concrete. I think a lot of people might hesitate because they worry about whether it's going to be a ding on their insurance policy. The flip side of that is if you don't report it and you wait too long, then there might be a provision in your policy requiring you to report it sooner, and they might try to deny coverage based upon that.
And then it falls on you personally.
Correct.
And that really can become a headache.
Correct. So it's more important that if you receive notice, that you report it to your insurance company and let them handle it from there. They'll assign a lawyer to you, so you don't have to worry about going out and finding your own lawyer. And the lawyer will handle it mostly from them, and you probably won't hear about it for a while unless it goes a much longer way toward a lawsuit.
Now, very quickly to finish this up, should you, say you saw it happen, most likely you're on the property when such an incident happened, should you go to that individual and say, how are you going to handle this? Is that a good way to go?
You know, I don't know that I'd raise a red flag. I'd let it play out by itself and just wait until you hear from that person. But certainly you don't have to disassociate yourself from the person, so you can continue to talk to the person, and you probably get a good handle or idea of where it goes just by knowing the person.
It's sound legal advice. If you need some more, you want to follow up maybe on this topic or something else real estate related, you can sit down with Kurt, set up an appointment. How do they do that? You
can call me at 827-6100. Talk to Linda, she'd be happy to set up an appointment, or go to my website, LOCAF, that's LOKAF.com.
It's that simple. That's how you get a hold of Kurt Franke, sit down with him, and make sure that, you're handling things properly.
Correct.
It's that simple. All right, thanks, Kurt.
Thank you, Greg.
And just staying on topic, we're going to